Greetings, baking enthusiasts. Welcome to the AI channel. Today we embark on a culinary journey into the world of delectable homemade treats. Let's dive right in. Our first masterpiece is a timeless classic banana bread. Here's what you'll need. 3 ripe bananas mashed, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter melted, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees 175 degrees C. In a mixing bowl, combine the mashed bananas with the melted butter. Stir in the baking soda and salt. Add the sugar, beaten egg and vanilla extract, mixing until well combined. Finally, gently fold in the flour. Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow your banana bread to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a cooling rack. Slice, savor and share the love. Now let's whip up some chewy oatmeal raisin cookies. Gather these ingredients: 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of raisins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees 175 degrees C. Cream together the softened butter, brown sugar and granulated sugar. Add the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine oats, flour, baking soda, cinnamon and salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients. Finally, fold in the raisins. Scoop tablespoon-sized portions of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 10-12 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. There you have it, 2 delightful recipes that bring warmth and sweetness to your kitchen. Enjoy the baking adventure and don't forget to share your creations with us. Happy baking!